Hello, everyone. I am Mr. Jackson, and I'm here to tell you about the choir program at Chatfield Senior High. Our program is open to all students of all ability levels, whether you have been singing your whole life or just getting started. Throughout the school year, we have four major concerts: our fall concert, our holiday concert with our alumni sing along, our March concert with our community sing along, and our May concert with our student awards ceremony. In addition to learning important music literacy skills, such as sight reading, students will have a variety of performance opportunities during their time in our program, including field trips, competitions, festivals, and honor choirs. Students will have performance opportunities on a variety of stages, anywhere from performing at the Broadmoor to the Buell, Red Rocks to Disneyland. We like to get involved in our community to share what we are doing with others, whether it's decorating a room for Trick or Treat Street or sharing some holiday cheer at CHOP. We love to play games, whether it's on a retreat or at a choir picnic. Students in our program are heavily involved in our annual spring musical. They are involved in a lot of different ways, whether it's showcasing their talents as a lead, as a member of the ensemble, or behind the scenes in pit or crew. If you're thinking of getting involved, most incoming freshmen will want to sign up for either chorus treble or chorus tenor bass. If you're not sure which one to sign up for, don't worry about it. Pick one of the two and we'll make sure that you end up in the right place. If you are interested in auditioning for one of our more advanced ensembles, make sure to visit us online at cshchoir.org and click auditions for more information about the process. So whether you can sing or not, whether you have lots of experience or you are just getting started, we would love to see you on this stage with us. Visit us at cshchoir.org for more info, or feel free to email me with questions. My email address is josh.jackson@jeffco.k12.co.us.